Good morning children, I hope you all are doing well. In the last video we have completed exercise 2 and 3. In this video we are going to work with exercise number 4 and here we are going to see comparison between unlike fractions. Listen carefully students. When you have to compare unlike fractions, the first step is to convert them to like fractions. Okay, we can only compare unlike fractions after converting them into like fractions. But how to convert when the fractions will be given with different denominators? How you are going to make their denominators same? Then only they will be like fractions. Na? The denominators you are going to make same by using LCM. Make this very clear. Okay. Whenever you have to compare unlike fractions, their denominator should be same, and how they are going to be same? You are going to do it by taking the LCM. So without any further delay, let us see exercise number 4 students. You can see question number 1 from exercise number 4. Fill in the blanks with the symbols greater than or less than. Let us see the first point students. It is given 5 upon 12. Okay, then a dash, then 4 whole 1 upon 3. This is the question students. So here first step is to write this mixed fraction as improper. How you are going to write? 4 1 by 3. How to solve it? 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 3. It's not the new thing now. We have seen this in exercise 1. So it should be clear to you. Okay, now my fractions are 5 by 12 and 13 by 3. I have to make their denominators same. So students will write LCM of, take the different denominators. Okay, here it is 12, here it is 3. LCM of 12 and 3. Okay, now let us take their LCM 12 and 3. So students, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, then 2 2s are 4, then okay, 2 1s are 2. So what is the LCM students? 3 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. I got 12. Clear students? Now let us take our first fraction 5 by 12. What is the denominator here? 12. I want to make it equal to 12. Means same denominator for both the fractions I want now. LCM is 12. But here you can see my fraction is already having 12 as denominator. So either you can show it with show it by multiplying 1 to it, or you can leave it like that only, because it is having the same denominator 5 by 12 only. So now let us take our second fraction, which was 13 by 3. Now multiply 3 with such a number that your denominator will become 12 students. Okay, so 3 4s are 12, and this is the rule. If you are multiplying denominator or numerator with a number, same number you have to multiply with other denominator or numerator. So here I have to multiply 4 with 13 also. Clear students? So what I got 52 by 12. Now students, let us compare. Here it is written 5 upon 12, which was our first fraction. Okay, and now on converting the unlike fractions to like fractions, I got 52 by 12. Now you only tell which is greater, 5 by 12 or 52 by 12. 52 by 12 is greater. That means my second fraction is greater, which is this one. Now I can write the symbol. Okay students, let me use this one so that it will be clear to you. So this one will be greater. Clear? Okay, let us see one more question from this topic. Point number B. 1 whole 1 by 10, then 1 whole 7 by 15. 1 whole 7 by 15. So students, what are your denominators? 10 and 15. You have to convert them into same denominators. Okay, but first of all, mixed fraction is written, converted into improper fraction. 10 ones are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 by 10. Then for this, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 7, 23. 22. Okay, 22 by 15. Now what is the next step? LCM. LCM of 10 and 15. Let us take out the LCM, students. Here I'll take it out. 10, 15. So 2 5s are 10, then 15 I'll simply write, then 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, then 3 I'll simply write, then 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 2 5s are 10, then 10 3s are 30. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, students. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Clear? Now this 10 and 15, both the denominators we have to make as 30. No problem. Let us take 11 by 10 first, and we have to multiply it with such a number so that the denominator 10 will become 30. Same for 22 by 15, students. We have to multiply 15 with such a number so that the denominator is equals to 30. Clear? Now see, 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30. Same number multiply with the numerators also. So 11 3s are 33. 22 2s are 44. So what I got, students? I got 33 upon 30 and 44 upon 30. Now you only tell which one is greater. 44 upon 30 is greater. So here also the second fraction is greater. Okay, let us see one more point. 5 by 11 and 6 by 12. So students, point number, okay, listen, question 1, point C and D will be your homework. I am telling you point number F. Let us see. F point shows 5 upon 11 and 6 upon 12. Let us compare them. See students, only two fractions are there, na? So you can use that trick also which I have explained you in exercise number 2, I think, where you can cross multiply and check. Either you can use that method or by taking LCM also you can do. Okay, so let us take the LCM first. LCM of 11 and 12. Okay, let us take it out. 11 12. 11 1s are 11, then 2 6s are 12, then 2 3s are 2 6s are 12, then 2 3s are 6, then 3 3s are 9. So LCM is 11 into 2 into 2 into 3. 11 2s are 22, 22 2s are 44, 44 3s are rough work, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 13, 132. See students, I want to tell you one more thing. LCM will be 132. Here the condition is, just check the numbers for which you are going to find out the LCM. 11 and 12. Is there any common factor between 11 and 12 except 1? No, na? So such numbers for which you are going to find the LCM, if they have no other common factor except 1, you can simply multiply them and get the answer. Okay, look, 11, if you will multiply 12 with 11, you will get 132 only. 12 10s are 120, 12 11s are 132. ये मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए LCM निकाल दिया है, but you can directly multiply it. But the condition is that they should not have any common factor between them. Okay, so finally the LCM is 132. Now with which number we shall multiply 11 to get the denominator as 132, and for the second fraction with which number we shall multiply 12 to get 132. Just now we have cleared 11 12s are 132, 12 11s are 132. Okay, then here multiply with 12, here multiply with 11. So students, 12 5s are 60, then 6 11s are 66. So our like fractions are 60 by 132 and 66 by 132. Which one is greater? The second fraction is greater. So 60 by 32, then 66 by 132. Complete the fill up. This one will be greater. Okay students, so like this we compare unlike fractions. Now we are going to see question number 2. Arrange the fractions in ascending order. First note it down. So students, question number 2 in your textbook, arrange the following in ascending order. Here you can see all the fractions are unlike fractions. If you want to arrange it in ascending or descending order, first step is to take the LCM and make their denominators common so that we can convert it into like fractions. So here my first step will be LCM of 16, 8, 32 and 4. Let us calculate their LCM. 16, 8, 32, 4. So let me take 2. Then 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Clear? Then again 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Then again 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Again 2. 2 1, 2 2s are 4, 1. Again 2. 1 1 1 1. Okay students, so let us write the multiples. 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So students, here my LCM is 32. Clear students? Okay, now let us convert each of the denominator equal to 32. How? By multiplying the denominators. So let us see here. 3 by 16 will be multiplied with such a number so that your denominator will be equal to 32. Same for the other fractions. 7 by 8. Then 11 by 32. It is already having the LCM as 32. No problem. We'll simply write 11 by 32. And here I'll put comma and I'll write for the next fraction. 3 upon 4 into. Here again I want result as 32. So students, what shall I multiply with 16 to get 32? 16 2s are 32. Here also 3 2s are 6. Then 8 4s are 32. 7 4s are 28. Then 4 8s are 32. Then 3 8s are 24. Okay, and here 11 by 32 is already with denominator 32. Now students, you are going to write. Now see, they are like fractions or not. 6 by 32, 28 by 32, 11 by 32 and 24 by 32. Now you want to arrange it in ascending order. Means you have to write the smallest fraction to the greatest fraction. So here I'll arrange the small, I'll find first for the smallest fraction, that is 6 upon 32. So here I'll write 6 upon 32. Then I'll write 11 upon 32. Then the next one will be 24 upon 32. And the greatest one will be 28 upon 32. I hope it is clear to you. Now arrange it according to the main fractions given. 6 by 32 I obtained from 3 by 16. Write it, 3 by 16. Then 11 by 32 I got from 11 by 32 only. Simply write 11 by 32. Then 24 by 32 I got from 3 by 4. Then at last it is 7 by 8. It is arranged in ascending order now. Clear students? Let us see one more question, point number B. So quickly, LCM of 10, 5, 15 and 25. Let us take out the LCM. 10, 5, 15, 25. So with 2 first, 2 5s are 10, then I'll simply copy the other numbers because they are not divisible with 2. Then 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Then 3, 1, 1, 3 1s are 3, 5. Then at last 5, I'll get 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay students, so this is the LCM. Let us write. 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 15 5s are 75. 2 5s are 10, 10 3, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are, sorry. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 5s are, 5 3s are 15. 150 will be the LCM students. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 5s are 50, 5 3s are, yeah, 150 is the LCM. Now let us take again 3 by 10 and we want the result in the denominator as 150. Okay, next fraction 2 by 5, denominator as 150. Then 8 by 15, denominator as 150. Then at last 7 by 25, denominator I want as 150. Clear na students? What I have written is clear to you? So 10, 5, 15 and 25, these are the denominators now which I'll make equal to 150. So I have written like this. Then what I shall multiply with 10 to get 150? It is 15. Here also multiply with 15. Okay, so 15 threes are 45. Then 5 threes are 15. So here 60 by 150. Then 15 tens are 150, 8 tens are 80. Then 25 6 are 6 5s are 30, 6 2 are 12, 13 14 15, yeah. 7 6 are 42. Clear? Now again we have to arrange it in ascending order, means I have to see from the smallest fraction to the greatest fraction. Let us see. 45, 60, 80 and 42. So 42 by 150 first we are going to write. 42 by 150. Then next is 45 by 150. Then next is 60 by 150. Then next is 80 by 150. Now arrange them according to their original fraction, students. 42 by 150 is 7 by 25. Then 45 by 150 is 3 by 10. Then 60 by 150 is 2 by 5. And at last 80 by 150 is 8 by 15. See, we have arranged them in ascending order. Clear, students? If you know the LCM, then very easily you can arrange them in convert it into like fraction and then you can arrange. Okay, now question number 3 we are going to see, students. Arrange the following fractions in descending order. Same manner we are going to use. Okay, let us see. Note it down first. So students, question number 3, arrange the following fractions in descending order. First 2 I will tell, rest 2 will be your homework. See the first question, 5 by 8, 1 by 2, 7 by 12 and 11 by 16. For converting these unlike fractions into descending order, first we have to convert them into like fractions. Okay, so that's why I have taken the LCM of the denominators, LCM of 8, 2, 12 and 16. I have taken out the LCM. How to take out LCM is already clear to you. So simply I have taken out the LCM here and I have written the LCM which is equals to 48. Now 5 by 8 and all the other fractions, their denominator should be equal to the LCM which is 48. See here 5 by 8, what shall I multiply with 8 to get 48, students? 8 6 are 48. Same number with the numerator, 5 6 are 30. Okay, then here 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, again with 24. Then 16 3s are 48, so 11 3s are 33. 12 4s are 48, so 7 4s are 28. Okay, now they are like fractions. Now arrange into descending order means write the greatest to the smallest, from the greatest to the smallest. So here greatest fraction is 33 by 48. I'll write this first, 33 by 48, then 30 by 48, then 28 by 48, then 24 by 48. Clear, students? Now arrange it according to the actual fractions. 33 by 48 means 11 by 16, then 30 by 48 means 5 by 8, then 28 by 48 means 7 by 12, then for 24 by 48 it was 1 upon 2. So it is arranged in descending order. Now let us see B point also. Here 5 by 16, 3 by 8, 11 by 32 and 1 by 4. See students, same question we have for the same denominators we have calculated LCM in question number 2 also. So its LCM is 32, directly I have written. Okay, then 16 2s are 32, 5 2s are 10. Then 8 4s are 32, 3 4s are 12. 32 1s are 32, 11 1s are 11. Okay, 4 8s are 32, 1 8s are 8. So arrange it from greatest to smallest. So 12 by 32, 11 by 32, 10 by 32, 8 by 32. Okay, so 12 by 32 means 3 by 8. 11 by 32 means same only 11 by 32. 10 by 32 is 5 upon 16. At last 8 upon 32 is 1 by 4. So it is arranged in descending order now. Clear students? So here in exercise 4 question for question 2 and 3, C and D, both the points are homework for you, your work, you have to solve it. Okay, and I hope the exercise 4 is also clear to you. So that's all for today students. Thank you.